College of Engineering onto the lines. Please, sir.
It is a great honor to introduce and welcome our guest, Dr. S. Sridharan, Principal at Devon College of Agriculture and Research. So the Green Christianity District under the rise of this standing to give him a please.
I request Dr. P. Manivasan, the Organizing Secretary, HOD, Department of Biotechnology, Adiman College of Engineering, to honor our guest, Dr. S. Sridharan, Principal, Adiman College of Engineering. Thank you, sir.
I feel glad to invite our learning student, Mr. Santos Devras, to introduce our guest.
Good afternoon, dear students, faculty members, and fellow students. As a student representing Adiman College of Engineering, it is my privilege to stand before you today and express our gratitude for the presence of our esteemed resource person. Allow me to introduce our distinguished guest, Dr. F. Sridharan. He has been serving as an agriculture entomologist for nearly 35 years in Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. He has an outstanding teaching experience of nearly 20 years for UG, PG, and PhD. With such a numerous guidance, 10 students from both PG and PhD has been graduated successfully. The achievements of Dr. S. Sridharan serve as a testament to their dedication, hard work, and leadership. He attended 10 international conference and he was awarded Pioneers Medal and Madras Agriculture Students Union Medal for his contributions in agriculture marketing and plant production. He published about 10 international journals, more than 100 national journals, and popular articles. He also developed a gadget and applied for the patent. He visited international rice research institute, Philippines, and Singapore as a resource person and obtained research projects in National Agriculture Technology Project, IRIPAA, and Corporate Development Board CDP. He served in administrative posts as Deputy Director at Tamil Nadu Rice Research Institute, RFI, Dean PGP Namakkal, Head Agriculture Technology Information Center, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore, PG Coordinator, Kisan Council in charge. We are truly honored to have Dr. S. Sridharan with us this afternoon. Thank you, Dr. S. Sridharan, for your inspiring contributions and for taking the time to share your insights with us today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Santos Devras. I request Dr. S. Sridharan, Principal, Adiman College of Agriculture and Research, to take over the session and intro.
Good afternoon, delegates of the DNAXIS and respected Father Gary from the line and Dean is on the Dean context. And then my student friends, the other participants, with various like groups. First, we should have idea of what is going on, what is the status of agriculture in our country. Then we should understand what are the challenges or the threats we can take agriculture and how we can develop that with improved economics, so that we can have a good food protection to meet the increasing homes. Okay. Now I begin this with my sincere thanks and gratitude to our environment principal, other organizations, and organizations please function and inviting me as a guest speaker. Thank you. Let us begin our this presentation. Whatever I know, I just share with you. Maybe it will be around my subject. Probably I don't want to bore you much. I will try to make you happy and to learn something from what agriculture. Okay? Let us start with the first slide. We should have the previous scenario in India. First of all, we should know that our population is growing, and last year we have met China in the population, and presently, as on date today, our population is 1 crore crores. In China is 140 crores. We have overtaken China, and our population is 144 crores. Every child is born in 1.3 seconds. 1.3 seconds, we are getting one child is increased, number is increased. And with reference to the nature of our Indian population, our median age is 32.4 median age. That means 50% of the population below this age, they are around, and 32.4 above 50%. So we are still, we have a lot of young generation in our country, so that we can achieve a lot in the time to come. Okay, this is with reference to the population. The other one, our land area is shrinking because we are putting into use many industries and urban colonization. Other thing, our land area is shrinking. Presently, we have the gross floor area, which is 1.1 million hectare. And in there, we have 1.7 million hectares still under problem soils. That means the soil that is having salt problem, acidity problem, soil erosion, wind erosion. Wind erosion is very common in northern sites. So this much of land is still we have, but it cannot be used for growing crops. We have to develop some mechanism to utilize these areas. Even at least the salt affected area is around 6 million hectares. So if we develop a variety which is salt tolerant, so we can able to manage that situation, we can grow some crops in salt affected areas. Then we have our production is 329 million hectares. Our food grain production is 329 million hectares, million tons. And we are in 22 country, and still we have 15 million tons extra as compared to last year, 21-22. So we are working hard, we are able to increase our yield by adapting new technologies. Our GDP, agriculture generally, we are contributing around, say 16 to 18%. Annually, it's varying, but 16 to 18%. Next slide. So this is our scenario. We are one side we have increasing population, our land area is shrinking, our requirement is more. Every year we have increased our production. How to manage this situation? We can manage this situation. In addition to that, we have a lot of types of challenges like climate change. Climate change, we have a lot of repercussions. One is we have warmer seasons and the temperatures increase by 2 degrees and increase and unpredictable annual precipitation. That means we have high intensity, low frequency rainfall. The rainfall will be heavy and it is not distributed throughout the month or throughout the year. We do not get uniform rain throughout the year. it will be concentrated in few times. So it is not well distributed. It is low frequency and high intensity. Then we are getting frequent chemical disturbances, low frequency and high intensity. And sea level rise 1.3 mm per year on an average. And the pressure increased risk of floods and droughts. These are some of the problems that is posed by climate change. In the climate change, our country is progressing, and last year, it's 2023, we have achieved 8th position in the climate change management index. And we are the first nation in G20 nations. UK is coming as 11th position, and Germany is coming at 16th position. So we are able to manage this climate change by reducing the carbon footprint and the CO2. We are doing a lot of things to reduce that. And we are aiming for zero carbon in 2070. So we are doing good work in this. And this climate change is having its impact on agriculture. It is having an impact on agriculture. So the elevated carbon dioxide. When the carbon dioxide is elevated, what is happening to the crops? The crop it promotes more growth, and the carbon content in the stem or foliage is increasing, whereas the nitrogen content is decreasing. The ratio of carbon to nitrogen ratio is causes imbalance. As a result, the more insects will feed on the crop pest, so that it has to take more of nitrogen for its protein synthesis or unless protection and all. So the crop damage will be more under elevated carbon dioxide. Though the crop growth is more, it is causing the problem on pest. The pest is going to elevate in this overgrowth of vegetation and the elevated carbon dioxide. This one. Second one is because of this warmer temperatures and all, climate change, we have lot of migration of insects. They prefer warmer areas. As a result, the first picture what you are seeing is a locust, migratory locust. When it affects, when it enters escape or again vegetation, the whole area or the country will be devoured, all the vegetation will be devoured, and they will definitely be family. This locust in 2019 to 2021 during our COVID pandemic, we have got the entry of locust. Fortunately, we have just the direction has been changed for this locust. It is not be Iran and Pakistan. Generally, it will come from African area through Arabian subcontinent, then it reaches Indian subcontinent, and in 2019 and 20, between this to February 2022, we have seen the incidence of locusts in the states like Gujarat and Rajasthan. Gujarat and Rajasthan they record the occurrence of locusts, and fortunately we have developed mechanisms, we have used insecticides and different management techniques. We have just managed the locust, and it has gone towards Iran and Pakistan, and we have saved. That is one important locust that is important. Second one, what we are seeing is Horn RB1. If we form, it's called a Horn RB1. When it occurs, wherever in Tamil Nadu, it will devour the mixed crop, and it also brings from other germination crop. It is actually it belongs to Europe, then it goes to Brazil, and this from American country it has reached Africa, then it has entered Indian subcontinent in the year 2018. 2018 it's a serious problem. It is a serious problem for our Smallpox puripanda, it's an important pest. It is going to affect every crop, all graminaceous crop, and particularly maize. Then it also feeds on sugarcane, sugar, and rice oil. So that is the second example. Third one is the fruit fly. That is, the military prepare law does not reach our country, does not enter our country, and it is going to create problem when it enters our country. Luckily, we don't have the military recruitment still in our country, and many of our mango export to Australia and America has been rejected because of the fruit fly incidents and which is available here. Lactobacillus dorsalis is another fruit fly which is available in India and it is damaging the mango fruits. So they are rejected. So if this fruit fly comes inside, it is going to devastate, create a lot of loss for crop and keep our food production or food production at a lower level. Next. Next slide. Next slide. Please. Next slide. Yes. Next important, I think these pests are called invasive and alien pests. You might have seen aliens on movies and all, something new thing that's coming inside alien UFO and all. This is reference to insects which are coming from other countries. And one important pest is the mealybug. That is papaya mealybug, Maracas marginatus. It has entered from Mexico to our country. It has devastated the horticulture crops, food crops. And just because of that, every year in Tamil Nadu, we have get around 690 crores lost. 690 crores. Because of the loss in the production and also use of insecticide and loss of the insecticide we have used for controlling this video. This is very important. These two problems we have faced because of this invasive alien pest. The alien pest will, how it becomes an invasion, why we should call as an invasion? It is going to dominate the existing people. In our country, we have many bugs. In Tamil Nadu also, we have many bugs. But this Paracordus coordinators, it is going to influence and it dominates the existing people. That's why we call it as invasive. It enters our country, new place, habitat, and establishes wealth and multiply and create loss to our crop. The next one is the classical biological approach that is the botany cushion scale. This botany cushion scale has been introduced from Australia to California. It has devastated the citrus industry in California, US. And later on, they started, this has happened in 1986, 1986. And in 1988, they have introduced that beetle, which is feeding on there. The beetle, it will devour the, it's a natural enemy or biological control. This component beetle, it feeds on the bottom cushion stain. There will be, that is brought by CV relay and for that, the CV relay has gone to Australia to play cricket match as a cricket player has gone to Australia. And while doing that playing cricket in the evening hours, we try to do survey and we have identified the natural enemies that are falling on this model scale. That is an example of the another invasive pest. The third one is American bollworm, Edgar parmigira. In Tamil Nadu, just because of the Iliasis argentina or Edgar parmigira, the cotton crop cultivation is reduced. In Andhra Pradesh, in 1988, 48 farmers they are committed suicide. 40 farmers they have committed suicide because of they are not able to control this recover bacteria because it has developed resistance. This larva has developed resistance for the insecticide sprayed on them. Okay, next. This is the white fly. Commonly we have seen in all the graphs, white fly, even in your area, in your plantation, streets, everything, even go forest, you will see this white fly, Leotitis, a big state capacity, Leotitis dispersus, and the last one is Leotitis rudicatus. It's an important passage presently seen in almost all the corporate government. If you are corporate in the world, when you observe, definitely it will be there. It has been introduced from Mexico. It has come to our country. Mostly Central American parts, they have many sucking pests, they have come from that land mass to our country. It has got a lot of fruity mode. Now, on the upper surface of the leaf, you will get a black coating, capillary fungus. So, it causes inactivity in lots of spots. And also, put up in the backs, the powdery coating, it causes allergy or some breeding problem. Next one. Next page. This is the 18 weeks we are introduced. So, one is the wheat from we have finance a part of that wheat. It's a wheat. It's going to have a good competition for the wheat, and ultimately the management of the next one is the plantation crop. This has been introduced and it is creating a lot of problems as a bush. And currently they have domesticated, they are able to cultivate this banana as an ornamental crop because of its colorful flowers. The next one is water harvesting, economy, water harvesting. It is going to see in all the ponds and lakes and all. It is going to the conservation of water, it decrease the water drinking in the ponds. The next one is Eukarya migranta. This is called the minor meaning. It's our important weed. They want to say that they're growing very fastly. Minor meaning means every minute it grows nearly a mile length of its vine. That's why they call it as a minor meaning. Eukarya migranta. You may think it may be related to your subject or may not be related to the subject, but definitely I can assure you that in any competitive exam, PNVC group or students, you will get definitely 3 or 4% from my presentation, and that's all. Okay? Probably I may not represent the subject you expect, but basically the understanding of this agriculture and its what are the problems that it encounter that makes a value for your work on your biotechnology aspects. I'll come to that later. And next slide. These are some of the important invasive diseases that entered our country. There's got a lot of problems. Next one, please. Next slide. Yeah. Out of the 100 world's worst invasive alien disease species, first important is Baltica banana. Baltica virus. You know where it is present in Sirmale. You may taste the fruit. Sirmale all the Vilpaxi all definitely it is affected by Baltica banana. It's a virus. Once it is affected, it won't give you any clarity. It will be sterile. You have to come and throw it away. This important virus we got invasion has entered our country long back. Next one is good crop. Many of the crops, if many of the tree crop, you will get this good crop. Then water virus, we just put that. Then black wagon is an important tree. I mean, it's a common tree, it is depleting the water down. And the other is that minor is that Barbosa, second ACI, spin but provider is nothing but legacy capacity. Whenever you grow the ornamental crops in your home or also you get this like giant African slate is very, very important in all in the whole organic crops. If you ask the farmer in some moisture, some temperate or subtropical area, or where they have this problem, sure. If it's going to be feeding on banana, tomato, whatever crops you raise, is going to be if you are really quite of systems because it's an efficient. applicant, named applicant's name. Next one. Next slide. Yeah. No, we have these are some of the scenarios. We have the challenges of pregnancy, then linguistics, how it creating problems to our agriculture. No, if you take the population, nominal estates, the total number of fauna identified is 10 lakhs. This not insects, is fauna. Okay, total organisms, including insects. Total number of fauna identified so far in the globe is 10 lakhs. Generally, insects occupy two-thirds, around 66%, two-thirds of insects. So, of that way, the insects which are pests on crops is only 1%, less than 1%. Around 6,000 insects are going to create problem. They act as a pest, pestiferous insects, feeding on the leaves or fruits or covers, roots, stem, creating problems. So, for controlling the 6,000 pests only, we are going down the production of insecticide, we are using chemical pesticide, we are contaminating the environment, everything. Okay, so only 1% is the actual price in insect. Then if you take the insecticide aside, the cost of development of an insecticide is around $250 billion American dollars for developing a simple chemical molecule and by putting lot of trials and supervising trials, everything, and finally they will have to test it in the field trials. Then they will come out as a release as a product. They have to develop a lot of toxicological data on the safety to human beings, safety to non-target organisms, safety to pets and all. Systematic toxicological studies has been conducted for using a single zoning chemical molecule in the environment. Approximately, it takes around 10 years. So the cost is $250 billion. So you just imagine we are spending more money on production of synthetic or chemical pesticides and spending around 10 years. If you take on the same side, on the other side, you just take the cost of development of biopesticide using the plant products or pathogens like antacids like metarhizium or bivarium, which is again, if you develop biopesticide, the cost is around 3 to 7 million dollars, and it takes around 3 years for its release. So always it is better to go for the biopesticides, and it is advantageous. We are not going to contaminate the environment. The next one is the cost and development of genetically modified plants. We are going to plant any plants, we are just using